Hi! In front of me is VIVO X60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this Vivo. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Now choose System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Then go into Theme and choose Show More to see all available ones. When you finished, you can click on one of those images, for example. Click on the switcher next to gray borders to turn them off or on and tap Apply. You can do the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!